Hi, my name is Daniel Trapp. I'm Collision Director at Earl Stewart Toyota here in Lake Park, Florida. I've been in this industry since 2006. I started off in New Jersey and moved down to Virginia. I'm now here in Lake Park, Florida, and throughout my career, Lombard has serviced all my equipment needs. The reason we here at Earl Stewart use Lombard equipment is they sell the best products. It cuts our cycle time in half, increases our efficiency, and all of the technicians love the equipment. I met Joe from Lombard at a previous location. When I started here, he just happened to be here, and now we can't get rid of him. Honestly, anytime that you call Joe, he's there to answer the phone. Any kind of training, any kind of servicing, any kind of issues you have with the equipment, he's always there 100% of the time. Always answers the phone, always dependable. We here at Earl Stewart Toyota will continue doing business with Lombard equipment because of their service and their commitment to the industry.